Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cupcakes and ice cream cones. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, prepare your chosen cake batter, whether you prefer a homemade recipe or a convenient box mix. Finally, gather your flat-bottomed ice cream cones and a muffin tin, which will help keep the cones upright during baking. This simple preparation ensures a smooth start to your delicious dessert. Now that your oven is preheated and your batter is ready, carefully place each ice cream cone into the individual cups of your muffin tin. This provides essential support, preventing them from tipping over. Next, spoon your cake batter into each cone, filling them about 2/3 full. Be careful not to overfill, as the batter will rise. Bake these delightful treats for approximately 18 to 22 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once your cupcake cones are baked to perfection, remove them from the oven and let them cool completely on a wire rack. This step is crucial for the frosting to set properly. While they cool, prepare your favorite frosting. For that iconic ice cream cone look, use a piping bag with a star tip to create a beautiful swirl. Finish your creations with colorful sprinkles, a maraschino cherry, or any other fun toppings you desire. For the best results, always opt for flat-bottomed ice cream cones, as they offer superior stability in your muffin tin. Remember not to overfill your cones. Filling them about 2/3 full prevents any messy batter overflow while baking. These simple tips will help ensure your cupcake cones turn out perfectly every time. And for more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below. Enjoy your delicious, homemade cupcake cones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.